Good evening friends, now we are discussing about the classification algorithm in machine learning. As we know, supervised machine learning algorithm we are broadly classified into regression and classification, already stated in the previous section. In this regression, we have to predict the output of the continuous variable, but to predict the category value, we need to classification algorithm is must. First of all, what is classification algorithm? The classification algorithm is a supervised learning technique that is used to identify the category of the new observation on basic of training data. The classification is a program that learn from the given data set or observation and then classify the new observation into number of degree or groups such yes or no, 1 or 0 or 1, spam or not spam, cat or dog, etc. The classes can be target or label or categories. Unlike regression, the output of the variable classification is category, not values such as the green or blue, fruit or animal, etc. Since the classification algorithm is supervised learning technique, hence this take the labeled input data, which means the content input with the corresponding output. This is the formula y is equal to f of x. Here y is equal to categorical output. The best example for the ML classification is mailing a spam detector. A main goal of the classification algorithm is used to identify the category of the given data set. Algorithm mainly used to predict the output of the category value. The classification algorithm can be better understood using the below diagram. There are the two classes A and B. These classes having a feature that similar to each other, dissimilar to other classes. Okay. The algorithm which are the implement of the classification data is known as the classifier. The two types of the classification, one is binary classifier and then another one is multi-classifier. First, multi-classifier, binary classifier. If the classification problem has no only two possible outcomes, then it is called as the binary classifier. Yes or no, male or female, spam or not spam, cat or dog, etc. Multi-class classifier is classification problem has more than two outcomes, then it is called as the multi-class classifier. For example, classification of types of crop, classification types of music. There is a best example for multi-class classifier. Then learners in classification problems. Lazy learners firstly store to the trained data set and wait until receive the data set. In lazy learners cases, the classification is done on the basics in the model related to data stored in the training data set. It takes the less time in training but more times of prediction. Example, KNN algorithm cases based on responding. Okay. Then eager learning is develop a classification method on training data set before receiving a data set. Opposite to lazy learner, eager learner take more time learning and less time in production. Example, decision tree and the Navy bias tree ANN. The types of ML classification algorithm. Linear model. There are two types of mainly two category, linear and non-linear. In linear, there are two types, logical regression and a support vector machine, SVM. Non-linear, K nearest neighbor, kernel SVM, Navy bias, decision tree classification, random forest classification. We will discuss about the algorithm in later chapters. First, evolutionary classification of tree model. Once more model is completed, is necessary to evaluate it is a performance either is classification or regression model. So the evolution classification model we have to following the way: log loss or cross entropy loss. It is used to evaluating the performance of the classifier whose output is probably value 0 or 1. Or good binary classification model, the value loss should be near to 1. The value of log loss increase if the predicted value is derived from actual value. The outer log loss represents a higher accuracy of the model. For binary classification, cross interpret calculated by, this is the formula for the calculating the loss interpret loss, log interpret loss. Okay. Then the confusing matrix. The confusion matrix provides the matrix table output of the describe the performance of the table. It is also known as the error matrix. The error consists of the prediction result is summarized from which having the total number of correct prediction and incorrect prediction. The matrix looks like below the table. This is the formula for accuracy is equal to TP plus TN by total population. This is TP is true positive, TN is true negative. Okay. Then AUC or ROC curve. ROC curve stands for receiver operation characterization curve, and AUC stands for area under the curve. It is the graph that shown in the reference of the classification model difference threshold. To visualize the program, the multi-classes classification, we use the area under the curve and the receive operation characteristic curve. The ROC curve is the plotted with T or TPR and FPR. The T or TPR is true positive rate on y-axis, FPR is false positive rate on x-axis. Under the class of classification algorithm, mail spam detection, speech recognition, identify the cancer tumor cells, drug classification, biometrics identification, etc. Next we are going to the logistical regression. So logistical regression is the machine learning. Okay. Logistical regression is the one of the most popular machine learning algorithm which comes under the supervised learning technique. It is used to predict the category dependent variable and using the given set independent variable. The logistical regression predicts the output of the category dependent variable. Therefore, the outcome must be the categorical or discrete value. It can either yes or no, 0 or 1, true or false, male or female, etc. Each instant of the given extract value 0 or 1, it gives the probability value which lies between 0 and 1. The logistical regression is much similar to the logical regression expected how they are used. The linear regression is used to solving regression the problems, whereas the logistical regression is used for the solving the classification problem. The logistical regression, instead of the fitting a regression line, we fitting the S-shaped logistic function which predicts two maximum value 0 or 1. The curve from the logistical function indicates the likelihood of something such as the whether the cells are the cancerous or not, mouse is observed or not based on the weight. The logical regression is the signified machine learning problem because it has the ability to probability and classify and new data using continuously and discrete data set. Logical regression can be used to classify the observation using the different types of data and it can easily determine the most expensive value used the classification. This is the X curve. See, this is middle is 0.5 is the threshold value. The logical regression use the concept of the predict model as the regression. Therefore, that is called the logical regression. But we are using the classification sample. Therefore, it falls under the classification algorithm. Classic finds a sigmoid function. The sigmoid function is mathematically used to map the predict value of probabilities. Maps are any real value into the other value within the range 0 to 1. The value of logical regression must 0 and 1, which cannot go beyond this limit. So form curve is the S form. The S form curve is called sigmoid function of the logical function. The logical regression, we use the concept of threshold value, which define the probability of 0 or 1. Such value above the threshold value trends to 1, and a value below the threshold tends to 0. Then assumption, they depending on the most category in nature. Independent variable should not be multicollinearity. Logical regression is equations. This is the equations. Straight line. This is a straight line equation. The logical regression crosses through the between 0 and 1. This is the equation. Then between infinity to infinity, plus infinity to minus infinity is the formula for the this equation. The types of logical regression: binomial, multinomial, and ordinal. These are three types of logic regression in classification. First, we are discussing about binomial. In binomial logic regression, there can be two possible types of dependent variables such as 0 or 1, pass or fail, etc. Multinomial logic regression is the three or more possible unordered types of independent variables such as cat, dog, or sheep. Ordinary regression, there are three more possible ordered by dependent variables such as low, medium, or high. Okay, this is the formula for example. This is the example for binomial. This is the user ID, gender, age, estimated salary, purchased. This is system. So first we are discussing about the predata. Already saw this is the predata. This is a serial file. Then starting the independent variable and a dependent variable. Then we are splitting the data into trained data and the splitting data. Then we are moving the show the training data and test data. And then we are changing the x text data, x train data, and fitting the logical regression and train test data. This is the output to predict the result. Then we are going to test accessing of the result, then output, then visualizing the training set data result. Then we are going to the goal of classifier. Now we are going to discuss about the example of this graph. Okay, above the graph we can see the some green points are in the region, the purple points within the purple region. All these data points are observation points from the training set, which shows the result from purchase value. This graph is made by the two dependent variable, age on the x-axis, estimated salary on y-axis. The purple point observed on the purchase dependent is probably 0. The green point observed is the dependent variable, probably 1. We can estimate a graph from the who are younger is the lower salary, did not purchase the car, whereas the older user is high estimated purchase the car. The goal of classifier, we have successfully visualized the training data, but logical regression and the goal the classification is divided into two purchased SU or car and who did not purchase the cars. From the output graph, we can clearly see the two regions with the observation in the point. The purple region is the user who did not buy the car, and the green region is the who purchased the car. Linear classifier, as we can see from the graph, the classifier is a straight line or linear nature, as we have used to linear model for the logical regression. In future topics we will discuss about nonlinear classification. This is the visualization, this is the output. Now we are stop, then we will meet up the next video. Next topic is the k nearest neighbor, that k